Welcome to SSN Lifestyle. My name is Eric Bird. I'm the CEO. And I want to point out straight up, I'm trying to make this the best for you for financial freedom. And what's financial freedom without a lifestyle that you can enjoy? I'm going to start off with the Founders Club tonight. I'm going to make specific videos for each membership, but the Founders Club, there are only 15 spots available. It is the top dogs, the VIP of SSN Lifestyle. So I'm going to start off to show you why it's more than worth it, and because we're still early, there's going to be additional benefits for the SSN Lifestyle Founders Club members. And that also means for a limited time, the price will increase shortly. So right now, the price you see on the screen, if you watch this video a couple of weeks later, the price will have increased from the $2,799. Or we've already filled up all 15 spots and the Founders Club membership is no longer available. Nobody else can have this other than the 15 exclusive Founders Club members. So without further ado, let me get into something that is very, very near and dear to me. 1 week a year, you will receive 7 nights, 8 days in Dominican Republic, more closely to Punta Cana area in the Dominican Republic. We're talking about either 2-bedroom or 3-bedrooms, condos or villas, or the equivalents. Every year, this is unheard of. Your one-time price for the Founders Club membership gets you every year, and you do not have to pay additional other than your monthly membership of $49.99. That's $49.99. One other thing, there is not an annual membership fee either. So when you get in as a founding club member, and any membership that we have, that's a one-time payment. And then you pay the monthly payments. I want to point that out. Now, you don't have to just stay your 7 nights, 8 days in Punta Cana. That's why it says, or equivalent, or other exotic locations around the world like the Hawaiian Islands, St. Martin, the Dutch side, Las Vegas, Scottsdale, Orlando, Cabo, Puerto Vallarta, Mazatlan, Aruba, just to name a few. But that's very important. But here's what's even better. If you stay in the Punta Cana area every year, you receive these additional perks. Transportation to and from the airport, and specifically the transportation to and from your condo or villa while you're there, so you don't have a problem with that. Includes 4 tickets to Coco Bongo. These are going to be VIP. So Founders Club members, get used to the word VIP, because that's what you are. And that's why when you have the 4 tickets to Coco Bongo, you will be in the VIP seating section. During your 7 nights, 8 days, you will have 1 night of private chef service. A lot of you may not know what that means, but it's the lifestyle. So during your week, and because you're staying in a 2-bedroom, you might have friends with you. 1 night dinner or a lunch or whatever you decide to have, breakfast, 1 night during your stay, you're going to have a chef prepare a meal for you, a feast, like a VIP. 2 tickets to Kathmandu Park. That's an amusement park. in Punta Cana. All excursion boat tickets, 2 of those, to the island of Isla Zona. It's an all-day excursion. 2 adult tickets to the Caribbean Lake Park. That gets you into the park. You'll have yourself either a knee board. We'll provide that in the condo, so you won't have to go there. Or when you go to the park, they'll have it for you. Either way, you can go to Caribbean Lake Park. There'll be 2 tickets for that. There's a Pearl Beach Club that's on the ocean. 2 tickets to Pearl Beach Club for 1 day during your stay. You're going to have so much to do that I don't know if you're going to go a second day, but 1 day for sure you'll have tickets for that. That in itself, if that was all there was to this, more like a travel package, and somebody said, hey, you can go around the world for $27.99 every year, that would be enough. But we have more, ladies and gentlemen, because that's not good enough. 3 nights, 4 days in a studio or 1-bedroom accommodations every year. Las Vegas, Hawaiian Islands, Orlando, Puerto Vallarta, Cabo, and some other locations. You can see the values on these. You can start figuring out the value all by yourself. It's not rocket science. Now, number 3, SSN Lifestyle membership includes your passive income or referral income, the normal membership that everybody has, because we have products and services that you can market to other people. I'm very happy that we have health products as well. Not only do we have health products, we have the top dog health products. Nobody else has formulas that we have, made in America. I'll get into that later, but that's part of this. We have vacation rentals. We have other items that you can passively and sell to the general public by sending them to the SSN Lifestyle website. I'm excited. I get overly excited about it because there's so much opportunity here for everybody. The SSN Lifestyle Ring of Fire. Most people have heard of Shark Tank. And when you start talking about Shark Tank, where you can invest in some opportunities, you have to sit there and say, wow, I wish I could get on the ground floor of a company that's starting out or has started out, and I can invest in it before VCs get in, before they say, hey, you have to make $250,000 a year and maybe have to have $1 million in assets. Well, I'm bringing it to you, ladies and gentlemen. Opportunities before the big boys find out about it. That's what the Ring of Fire is. And being a Founders Club member, you get first choice. The 15 Founders Club members, no matter which business opportunity comes before you, you all get the first opportunity, separately or together, and you all don't have to invest the same amount. So I want to give you an example, and this is very, very important. Let's say we have a $5,000 Ring of Fire business opportunity. And out of the 15, just like the Shark Tank, maybe only 3 people like this business opportunity. So the 3 people, somebody says, I'm going to put in $2,000. Another person says, I'll put in $2,000. Another person says, I'll put in $1,000. Based on the percentage, when there's profit from the business opportunity, that is what you each will receive. Now, the benefit of having Founders Club, once again, regarding Ring of Fire, you get first in. The other memberships, they can get into the Ring of Fire, but for the same example, $5,000. But none, let's say, of the 15 say we want to do any investment in this. So now it goes to the Premier Club membership is next. That is the next highest level membership. So now they're up. So now if the Premier membership decides they put in the 5,000, then the Pro and the Elite memberships can't get in. So that's how powerful the Founders Club membership is. You guys get first dibs on everything. Now, number 5. This is going to be exclusive to SSN Founders Club members because you're going to be offered an opportunity where you're going to have a specific product that has to deal with vacation rentals every year. It might change during the year, but you're going to have a location that you'll be able to specifically rent out yourself. So what I mean by that is you will have a link specifically for you, not open to any other membership, exclusively for you that nobody else can rent out. So therefore, you can actually refer people specifically for this awesome location, and it'll be around the world as well. I'm very proud about that. You're not paying any HOAs, no housekeeping, no maintenance. You're not doing anything. All you have to do is say, hey, who wants to go to Hawaii, for instance? And you'll be able to reap the benefits from streams of income. Number 6, airport lounge access. A lot of you have traveled and a lot of you have shown up at the airport and you know what happens. Cancellation. Flight's not leaving for 5-6 hours potentially. And heaven forbid, sometimes it's even overnight. Well, some airports have airport lounge. And your membership includes airport lounge access for one person. If you want to bring another person with you, well, it's going to cost you. Charge sometimes $30, sometimes $40. But the purpose of this is when you're traveling around making this money, you don't want to be stranded where the situation arises that they tell you you're delayed and it's going to be 5 hours. Well, at least you can say, well, cool. If I'm at a major airport, I'm going to the lounge. And now you might have shower, you might have food, drinks, and even a place to sleep occasionally. Even if it is for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to lay your head, or you're sleeping in the lounge where they have the nice cozy chairs. So that's included in this. And again, these are exclusive to Founders Club membership. That's why this is very important to get into, because the price is going to go up. There's going to be a jeweler's membership. And the jewelry membership is an online jewelry store and in-person jewelry store that you can go to. You automatically receive a line of credit. You also can order up to $10,000. That's included. Bonus pool. Every membership receives a bonus pool. Here's the thing. As you see here, Pro, Elite, Premier, Founders Club each month receives a bonus pool. That's part of the profits from the company. Founders Club members, they receive a portion of the Pro level, which is our first entry point level. They get a portion of the Elite bonus pool. They get a portion of the Premier bonus pool, and they get a Founders Club bonus pool. So once again, VIPs, top of the food chain, so to speak. Number 9, next year, 2 VIP tickets to the SSN Lifestyle Punta Cana Conference and Party, April 2nd through the 16th. So actually, this is incorrect. It's April 12th through the 16th. It's missing something. But the party will have to be changed. I'll update this after this video. But it's supposed to be April 12th through the 16th, 2023. Includes 2 VIP tickets for the yacht and catamaran party. Once again, everybody can show up. It's open to the general public. But only Founders Club members can get in any SSN Lifestyle Conference, convention, and party at no additional cost and for the life of your membership. As long as your account is current, you always receive 2 VIP tickets, and inclusive of any of the VIP or any parties or events that we have that require VIP sections, you automatically are in the VIP section. Number 10, boats, yachts. Every now and then you might find yourself, you want to go out to a marina, want to go fishing, want to go take some friends out on a 30, 40-foot boat. That's why we include $550 every year as a credit for if you want to go take your friends out for 2-3 hours, because that's generally what it's going to be for the cost. And you could find yourself, who knows, on a sandbar or taking taxi rides to restaurants on the water, going in a large boat, that is. So it's up to you, but you have credit every year. Airline ticket upgrades, discount, jet discounts. How this works, this is a little bit different. When you go on a trip and you take a flight, not every flight has first class, not every flight has business class, but sometimes you're on a flight and you're sitting there saying, man, it would be nice to upgrade. Well, this is when you send your ticket into SSN Lifestyle and you say, hey, I'm going on this trip, and at our discretion, we're not going to do 100% of everybody, because that's impossible, because by the time we receive your information, and if there's something we can do to call up and make it happen, we will upgrade you at no additional cost. Our cost. That's part of being in the Founders Club, helping us grow. All right. Number 12, you're going to receive extra discounted prices. Now, once again, what that means, we have a shop up here. And if you buy something yourself, you get discount pricing. Speaking of that, Founders Club members get a higher discount price than the Pro, the Elite, the Premier membership. And again, I'll reiterate, you'll share in the Founders Club bonus pool, which is awesome. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the shortest I can make this. Over a $50,000 value. And I'm very happy and I'm very proud. And guess what else? There's more to be added to this Founders Club membership coming up, and the price will increase once again within 7 to 10 days of this video coming out. So if you have any questions, you can always send a message to support@ssnlifestyle.com. And without further ado, I want to thank everybody. I appreciate your support. I appreciate everybody who has signed up and become a member of the SSN Lifestyle. So we're going to make this the best membership, business opportunities, lifestyle around. I haven't found anything better than this, and it's going to only improve. Thank you so much. And if you're going to refer somebody, make sure you have your link to this page. Simply put, you can direct someone directly to any page by using the last portion behind the hashtag in your affiliate back office. Starts with the letter A. $A. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the other side.